yesterday I went to Lowe's and I picked up this trash can, this 32-gallon trash can, and this is where I will be putting my rainwater. So I have been catching my rainwater in my wheelbarrows. So I'm going to take the water from my wheelbarrow and I'm going to put it into this trash can because they say it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So I want to make sure this is empty so I can catch some more rain water so I can fill this up until I come with a better water catchment system. I was thinking about putting it by one of my gutters, but I have to get that all rigged up and I haven't got that done yet. So this is going to have to work until I get that system put up, because you got to do what you got to do. So let me bring it closer so you guys can actually see what I'm going to be doing. Are you ready? Let's get this trash can filled up so I can have some rainwater to put on my plants. So move you up. There you go. So I'm just going to scoop it out of here and stick it in here. It's a crude way. You got to do what you got to do. I want Mother Nature's rain. Scoop it up. Okay, we got just a little bit more in here. That wheelbarrow is empty. Let me go get my other one. Here comes the second wheelbarrow. All right, let's get this one filled up. All right, you want to see how much water I got? Let me show you. See, I can show you. Hold on, let me show you how much water I got. Okay, so I got a whole lot of water in there, so I'm happy about that. It has some flower petals in there, but that's okay because I am so thankful to have Mother Nature's rainwater. So I'm going to put it over in that location over there. I should have put the trash can over there and then filled it up. So let me get it over there because that's where it's going to stay. And I'm going to buy another one so I can have a rain barrel over in the black and white garden. So I'm trying to put easy access to rain water so I don't have to walk back and forth between my garden. So let's put the lid on that I got. We'll stick it on this trash can. And eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the lid like that. And then I'm going to cut a hole here. And I'm going to cut a hole here. And then I'm going to secure the sides down with maybe like some clamps so the animals and stuff can't get into this trash can. And then I'll put a netting, like a mesh netting over the hole, so when it rains it'll be able to get pure rain and I won't have all that debris and stuff in my rainwater. So that is what the mission is, but it looks good. I think I'm gonna like this concept, and I'm gonna see how this works, because if it's easier to do this just to, dump the water into this trash can, I don't have no problem with that. Just adding it another duty onto my already long list of things I need to do. So, all right, guys, I'm trying to save money and don't run up my water bill. So if Mother Nature is gonna rain, why are we not catching her free, beautiful, high, nutritious rainwater for our plants, because it has so many like nitrogen and all that other good stuff that our plants seem to live for, and they look forward to it when we put it on our plants. All right, guys, I am trying my best to get this garden together. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will definitely see you in the next video. All right, you guys. My plants and stuff over there are starting to grow so nicely. Take care, you guys. All right, rain/trash can, do your job.